What up guys, in this video I want to show you how you can get consistent profitable cryptocurrency airdrops that could fetch you some good income every other month. Now, airdrops are usually how cryptocurrency projects create awareness, that is, bring attention to their projects by giving away some of their tokens. Now, the recipients of these tokens are usually asked to perform some tasks to qualify them to receive the airdrops, such as following the project's social media handles or sharing its content. Now, when the tokens are eventually listed on the exchanges, the recipients can sell the tokens for profits. They are also used by crypto projects to reward their loyal followers or loyal users of the platform. For example, Uniswap gave out $1,600 worth of unit tokens to all those who have used the platform in the past. So airdrops can be really profitable, but most of them are not. As a matter of fact, 99% of the airdrops going on out there are a complete waste of your time, because you can spend all your time performing all the tasks required by the airdrops, but the tokens don't get listed on an exchange, and some of them, even when listed, are worthless. So you're left with a bunch of worthless tokens. So the question now is, how then will you filter out 99% of the airdrops that are worthless and gain access to the 1% profitable ones? And this is where I have you covered. Okay, one tool you can use right now is a Tenset Infinity Airdrop. And the good thing is that you don't need to perform any of those mundane tasks required by most airdrops. So let me quickly head over to tenset.io and show you what I mean. So if you go to tenset.io and click on Infinity here, it will take you to the Infinity airdrop section. So you can see here that these are the tokens available for airdrop. So starting with Tenset, then Dexport, Leon, Leos, Libido, Tonacia Swap, and more is actually coming. So these are the tokens currently available for airdrops, and it has not started yet. So once it starts, if you meet the criteria, you get a portion of all this token. So for example, Tenset, we have 365,000 Tenset available for airdrop. We have 10 million Dexport or Deso token for airdrop, and so on and so forth. So basically what Tenset is doing, before I continue, you see the current value of the airdrops is worth $924,000. As a matter of fact, this project, for example, this Tenset is already trading. And if you go down, Lenicorn Swap, that is the Leo's token, is also already trading. So what Tenset basically does is that they look at different projects, right, that comes to be airdropped on their platform. They vet the project. So the projects actually undergo some certain they have to meet some certain criteria to be able to be shown to the Tenset community, because they know that Tenset has a community, and they just want to leverage on that community. So they have to meet some certain criteria. So Tenset actually does the work for you by filtering out all the projects that are not really, that doesn't have a solid fundamentals. So to partake in this airdrop, all you have to do is just to lock your Tenset. I've actually locked some of my Tensets. So if I click on your locks here, you can see that I've locked 2,150 Tensets already. But for this video, what I want to do is to show you how to actually lock Tensets. So I'll click on more here. If you click on more, you see the different categories under which you're going to lock, right? And you'll get some certain a bonus if you lock within this before this time expires. So we have the bronze, the silver, the gold, and the diamond. And for the bronze, the minimum you can lock is 100 Tensets for 6 months. For the silver, it's 500 Tensets for 9 months. Gold, 1,000 for 12 months. Diamond, 2,000 for 24 months. Now, for the bronze, I can lock more than 100 Tensets. I can lock, say, 500 Tensets if I want to, right? But it's going to be locked for 6 months. For the silver, I can lock 500 Tensets, but for 9 months. So the difference here is that I'm going to get 10% more bonus, extra bonus if I lock in the silver than if I lock in the bronze. But currently it's 15% more. When this time expires, it will go back to 10% more. That is just the difference. I'll get, so if I'm locking 500 in the silver, it's as if I'm locking 500 Tensets plus 15% more. But if I'm locking 500 in the bronze, I'm just locking 500, no extra bonus. So this is how they all go. So I'll go ahead and show you how to actually lock your Tenset right now. To lock Tenset, of course, you have to go and purchase Tenset either from the Uniswap or from the PancakeSwap. Uniswap, like you know, is Ethereum network, and PancakeSwap is the Binance Smart Chain. And the advantage of PancakeSwap is that it is much, much cheaper than when you're using Uniswap. If you're using Uniswap, you're going to pay a lot more in Ethereum fee. So maybe you should use PancakeSwap. So if you've done that, like mine, I have my own, I bought my own Tenset. So if you've purchased Tenset and have it in your MetaMask wallet, you can then lock it here. I have already connected my MetaMask wallet to lock 100 Tensets. I'll click on this, choose. Then, mind you, when locking Tensets, you have to include extra 2%, which is by the smart contracts, and we have to include extra 2% for transaction charges. So I can enter all of them, 105 Tenset here, or 102 Tenset. So I'll click on next. Then I'll click on increase allowance. Then confirm. So you see that we're paying with BNB, so you should have extra BNB in your MetaMask wallet when performing this action. Then finally I'll click on lock. Confirm. So I have actually locked Tenset right now. So if I click on your locks, I've locked 100 Tenset for 6 months. If I click on my locks, okay, this hasn't actually shown here. Maybe I just give some time, because this one, I locked this one yesterday. Maybe I have to give some time before it shows. So this is how you lock your Tenset. Now, when will this airdrop take place, and how is it going to take place? If I go back to the Tenset homepage, and I click on news here, can then get more information on how the airdrops are taking place. So if I click on, say, this particular DexPort, right? If I click on DexPort, I'll get more information on this particular token. So if I go down to this point, you see, please note that this token has not yet been issued. The airdrop for this token will commence on the 12th of October, but can only be claimed by holders once the token officially lists. So this is the information on when the airdrop is going to start, and this is available for all the tokens that are on this Tenset Infinity airdrops. Like I said, you do not need to follow any social media channel and all that. All you need to do is to just lock your Tenset in the Tenset Infinity airdrop. So that is how you get consistent, profitable airdrop all year round. I'll be giving you more information as this goes. If you have more questions or need more info, you can always check out the Tenset website, tenset.io, or check out the Telegram channel or group. We also have a group on Telegram for Tenset Africa. So if you're in Nigeria or Ghana or any other African countries, you should also join that group. We're actually growing, and we had an AMA of recent where we gave out some Tensets and KNG, and more of that is actually coming soon. So to partake, you should also join the Tenset African group. I will also be there to answer all of your questions, and the link to all these is in the description. That said, don't forget to subscribe if you have not. We have a lot of amazing content coming up soon on this channel, so all you need to do is to hit that bell icon so you get notified once they are out, because some of this content are actually time sensitive. Finally, give this video a like and share. I will see you in the next video.